So we're now going to look at keeping your headings in place using freeze panes. Now, freeze panes is a way of keeping any headings in a list in the same place whether you scroll up or down or left and right on your list. Now, do you ever have this happen? So you've got a list, as you can see here I've got heading 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top, and I've got some content in my list down here. Now if I just scroll up and down, can you see I get down here, I don't know what item 20 actually is, what the number 46 actually means, and what the purpose of Chuck being in that column is. That's because the heading for my list has actually disappeared. Now this is a really quick and simple thing to fix. We click where we want the heading to be frozen from. So if I click here, it's going to freeze everything above that cell and to the left of it. Now if I click here, it's going to freeze everything above and to the left of that cell, so it's going to freeze the headings, and also it's going to freeze the row descriptions for item 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. Once I've done this, I go to Window and then Freeze Panes. Now it's a bit difficult to see, but for the keen eyes out there, you can see I've got a darkened line down here and I've got a darkened line along the top. Now what this means is it's frozen the panes at that point. So if I just scroll up and down, can you see heading 1, 2, 3, 4 stay in place? Now if I just scroll across, I'm just going to use my bar at the bottom. Can you see there it goes heading 1 and 8? So column A with all the item descriptions is actually remained in place. If I just scroll back, can you see that? And if I just scroll back over to the left and move down, you'll see my top headings stay in place as well. Okay, now this is a simple toggle on and off feature. All I do is go back to Window, and then can you see I've got unfreeze panes, tick that, and then can you see my list is back to normal, so the headings will disappear. So to activate it, it's Window, Freeze Pane, and the same in reverse, but it will be called Window and then Unfreeze Pane to remove. So that is how to keep your headings in place using freeze panes.